Hey, period queens! If you've ever panicked because your period decided to ghost you, you're not alone. A late period can be super stressful, but it doesn't always mean what you think. Today, we're breaking down 10 reasons your period might be late. Let's dive in. Number 1, stress. Your brain and body are super connected. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, which can mess with your hormones and delay ovulation. So, if you've been super busy or anxious, that could be the culprit. Number 2, weight changes. Gaining or losing a significant amount of weight can throw your hormones out of whack. Your body needs a certain amount of fat to ovulate, so extreme changes can delay your period. Number 3, too much exercise. If you've been hitting the gym extra hard, your body might prioritize energy for your muscles over your reproductive system. This is super common in athletes. Number 4, PCOS. Polycystic ovary syndrome is a hormonal condition that can cause irregular periods. If your period is often late or missing, it's worth talking to a doctor about PCOS. Number 5, thyroid problems. Your thyroid controls your metabolism and hormones. If it's overactive or underactive, it can mess with your cycle. A simple blood test can check your thyroid levels. Number 6, birth control. Hormonal contraceptives like the pill, IUD, or implant can affect your cycle. It's normal for your period to be irregular, especially when you first start or stop using them. Number 7, perimenopause. If you're in your 40s or 50s, your body might be transitioning to menopause. This can cause irregular periods before they stop completely. Number 8, pregnancy. Okay, this one's obvious, but if there's even a small chance you could be pregnant, take a test. It's always good to rule this out first. Number 9, chronic conditions. Conditions like diabetes or celiac disease can affect your hormones and cycle. If you have a chronic illness, it's worth discussing with your doctor. Number 10, random hormonal fluctuations. Sometimes your body just does its own thing. A one-off late period isn't usually a big deal, but if it keeps happening, it's worth investigating. So there you have it, 10 reasons your period might be late. Remember, your body is unique and occasional irregularities are normal. But if you're worried or your period is consistently late, don't hesitate to talk to a healthcare provider. Thanks for watching, Period Queens. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more period tips and tricks. See you next time. Hey Queens, welcome to Period Queen, your go-to channel for everything about periods, cycles, and women's health. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about periods, what they are, why they happen, and how to manage them like a pro. Whether it's your first period, or you just want to understand your cycle better, this guide is for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a period? A period, or menstruation, is when your body sheds the lining of the uterus. This happens when there's no pregnancy, and it's a natural part of the menstrual cycle. It usually lasts between 3 to 7 days, and the amount of blood flow can vary from person to person. Most girls get their first period between ages 9 and 16. If you haven't had yours by 16, it's a good idea to check with a doctor. Your menstrual cycle isn't just about your period, it's a monthly process that prepares your body for pregnancy. A full cycle is usually around 28 days, but it can range from 21 to 35 days. Here's a quick breakdown of the 4 phases of the menstrual cycle. 1. Menstrual phase. This is when you're actually on your period. The uterus sheds its lining and you experience bleeding. 2nd follicular phase. Your body starts preparing an egg for ovulation. Estrogen levels rise, making you feel more energetic. 3rd ovulation phase. Around day 14, the ovary releases an egg. This is when you're most likely to get pregnant. 4th, luteal phase. If the egg isn't fertilized, your body prepares to shed the lining, leading to your next period. Each phase affects your mood, energy, and cravings, so tracking your cycle can be super helpful. Every woman experiences periods differently, but here are some common symptoms. Cramps, mild to severe pain in the lower belly. Mood swings, thanks to hormone changes, bloating. Feeling puffy due to water retention, headaches. Common for some women. Fatigue, feeling more tired than usual. acne, breakouts. Before or during your period. If your symptoms are too painful or extreme, it's best to consult a doctor. Managing your period is easy when you know what works best for you. Here are some tips. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to reduce bloating. Eat healthy. Avoid salty and sugary foods that make symptoms worse. Exercise. Light movement like yoga can help with cramps. Use heat therapy. A heating pad can soothe cramps instantly. Try pain relief. Over-the-counter medicine like ibuprofen can help. And, of course, choose the right period product for you. You can use pads. Easy to use and great for beginners. Tampons. More discreet, but require proper insertion. Menstrual cups. Reusable and eco-friendly. Period underwear. A hassle-free, leak-proof option. Try different products and see what works best for your body. While periods are natural, sometimes they signal health issues. See a doctor if your period lasts longer than 7 days, your cycle is shorter than 21 days, or longer than 35 days. You experience extreme pain that stops you from daily activities. Your bleeding is too heavy, soaking through a pad or tampon every hour. You've missed 3 periods in a row without pregnancy. Your period is a window into your health, so don't ignore unusual changes. And that's it, Queens. Now you know everything about periods and how to manage them like a pro. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more period-related content. Comment below your biggest period struggle and let's talk about it. Thanks for watching Period Queen, and see you in the next video. Hey Period Queens, welcome back to my channel Period Queen. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a period-related chat. Today, we're talking about a big milestone, your first period. What does it feel like? Is it painful? Is it scary? Don't worry, I got you covered. Let's dive in. So, before your first period actually arrives, your body will start giving you little hints that it's coming. Some people feel cramps in the lower belly, sore breasts, mood swings. 1 minute you're happy, the next, not so much. More discharge in your underwear, which is totally normal. It's like your body's way of saying, hey girl, get ready. But remember, everyone's experience is different, and some people don't notice any signs at all. All right, so let's get to the big question. What does your first period actually feel like? Here's what some people say. A weird wet feeling. You might suddenly feel damp down there, kind of like when you accidentally spill water on your underwear. A slight cramp or pressure. Some people feel a dull ache in their lower belly, while others don't feel anything at all. Nothing at first. Yep. Some people only realize they've started when they see blood in their underwear or on toilet paper. And let's talk about the blood. It might not look like bright red liquid at first. It can be light pink, brown, or even kind of rusty. That's totally normal. Okay, so what should you do if you suddenly start your period? Don't panic. This is a natural, healthy part of growing up. You got this. Grab a pad, panty liner, or period underwear. If you're in school and don't have anything, ask a teacher, school nurse, or a friend. Trust me, people are usually super nice about it. If you have cramps, try a heating pad or drink warm tea. It can help relax your muscles. Stay prepared. Keep a small period kit in your bag with pads, wipes, and an extra pair of underwear, just in case. And most importantly, don't be embarrassed. Every girl goes through this, and your body is doing something amazing. You're officially entering a new phase of life, and that's something to be proud of. Now I want to hear from you. If you've already had your first period, what did it feel like? Let's chat in the comments and help each other out. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I'll see you in the next video, Queens. Hey, Period Queens! Welcome back to my channel, Period Queen. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a period-related chat. Today, we're diving into something super interesting, the history of period products. Have you ever wondered what people used before pads and tampons? Trust me, it's a wild ride. Let's get into it. Let's take it way back, like ancient civilization back. People have been dealing with periods forever, and throughout history, they used some pretty unique solutions. Ancient Egypt, women used softened papyrus as an early form of tampon. Ancient Greece and Rome, They wrapped small pieces of wool or linen around wood as an absorbent material. China and Japan. Women used paper or moss as an early type of pad. Sounds uncomfortable, right? But these were the best options they had at the time. Medieval and early modern period products. Moving into the Middle Ages, things didn't get much better. In fact, many women simply free bled into their clothing because menstruation was considered a taboo topic. Those who could afford it used rags or cloth, leading to the phrase, on the rag. By the 1800s, women started using homemade washable pads, often made from flannel or cotton. The downside? No adhesives, so they had to pin them to their undergarments. The birth of modern period products. The late 19th and early 20th centuries brought some major changes. 1896. The first disposable pad, called Lister's towels, was introduced, but it didn't catch on. 1920s. Nurses in World War I used cellulose bandages as makeshift pads, which inspired the first successful commercial pad, Kotex. 1930s. The tampon was invented by Dr. Earl Haas and later popularized by Tampax. These inventions changed everything, making period management way more convenient. The evolution to today. Fast forward to today, and we have so many options. Disposable pads and tampons. Menstrual cups, first invented in the 1930s but gained popularity recently. Period underwear, reusable, eco-friendly, and super comfortable reusable cloth pads, which bring history full circle. Innovation continues with organic, biodegradable, and even high-tech period products. It's amazing to see how far period products have come, from ancient papyrus to today's high-tech solutions. And the best part? We now have more choices than ever. Now I want to hear from you. What period product do you use and love? Would you ever try an old-school method? Let's chat in the comments. And if you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I'll see you in the next video, Queens.